Well, the Queensland property market over the last quarter is very much one of treading water. So what we've seen is not a lot of sales activity. We primarily put that down to the fact that people have been waiting for the concessional rebate on stamp duty to come through. Anecdotally, we knew from a lot of our members that people were just holding off to the end of June to do that. But we have seen, though, that the median price has stayed pretty much stable in pretty much everywhere across Queensland. So we draw some comfort from that fact at the moment. Yes, of particular interest to us were in two areas really. The first was the first home buyers. We are seeing the first home buyers coming back into the market, and we're also seeing investors come back. These are generally in the properties less than $350,000, and the reason for that is that at the moment the investors are coming back because the rental market is quite tight with vacancy rates about 1.7% in Brisbane. And the first home buyers are coming back because the equation of rent versus purchase is now tilting in favour of purchasing. Queensland's never been as affordable as it is today, and that's causing the first home buyers to come back. The other trend that we've seen is that in the $1 million plus bracket. In sunny Bulimba, where we are today, we're starting to see a little bit of action in the $1 million plus sales. Previously that has been quite stagnant in pretty much every area, but this last quarter we did start to see some improved sales in that area. Yeah, very much treading water the last 6 months. On the basis of reports from our members, we are getting a lot of anecdotal evidence that there's a lot of sales activity going on out there in the market. We would expect the next quarter to show both increase in sales activity, and I think correspondingly there'll be increases in median price. And what we're hoping is to see it across all sections of the market, not just the low 350s, but particularly in the 350 to 500 ranges. We'd hope to see some changes in that in the next little while. We expect to see the mining areas still continue. There's a lot of investment going into those areas, and the growth that's been sustained there over the last 2 quarters we suspect will be sustained in the next quarter of the year. One would hope so. I think it's a confidence marketplace, and as long as the good news keeps coming, then we're more likely to be successful than if the news is quite negative.